This is the first video of 3 that will help guide you through formatting HTML in your Neatline project. Now to follow along, if you wanted to, you can go to this web post, Basic HTML Editing in Neatline. You can find it also under Classroom Toolkit, under How-To Tutorials, if it's not on the front page. Basic HTML Editing in Neatline. I made these two files. They are the same. This is a PDF of the PowerPoint. The PDF is just something that's easy to open in the web browser. The PowerPoint you can actually download if you want the links to how to get to those hexadecimal numbers for colors, or if you wanted to look at any of the other links that I made to some of the information about basic HTML editing. This is the PDF we'll be using for this video, and then the other 2 videos as well. We're going to start with formatting the narrative. So first of all, we want to go to this website, omeka.bard.edu admin/admin. Go to the website, username ARTH132, password same. Log in. Okay, we want to go to our Neatline project, so you have to click on the Neatline tab at the left. And first of all, we're going to go to the exhibit settings to have a look at this narrative. Okay, this is what we entered last week. Name of the town, name of the map maker, the original size, and the citations, as well as created by. We've got this text in there, but we want it to look a little differently. So right now, if you highlighted it, you'll see that the text is normal. We can change that either by editing the HTML tags or actually using the tags that are here. So say I wanted to give it a heading 1. I can either do that here by clicking on it, or in the source code I can look and you can see that it changed the tags to H1 before to open it and to close it. So now it looks different, right? It's separated from this other text. But then what about this other part here? We've got this breaking space in between each one of these. Say we wanted to put these 3 together, how would we do that? Well, first of all, we had to get rid of those P tags, which actually form a buffer zone, a padding between each paragraph. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of these, except for if we wanted to keep this all as one element, we can just keep this first one and this last tag. So let's get rid of all the other tags. That closing tag, this opening, this closing, this opening. But we still want the return line between the name of the map maker and the size. So let's use that empty element tag break. By empty, it means that you can open and close it within the same tag. So we opened it, and then we added this little short code to close it, the /. We can do that after this line as well, space, close the tag, right? So open it and close it all within the same tag. And that will give us a space between the map maker, the original size, and the citation. Let's have a look and see what happens. Oh look, that looks nice now. We actually created a different space. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's make sure that we go down and save the exhibit. And you can have a look to see how it looks now. If you go to full screen view, you can see that this text is now collected together, separates my name, separates the title. If you want to navigate away from this, we have to click the back button. But before we do that, I just want to have a look at these. This is what we're going to do in the next video. How to make these tags show up and how to link this tag to the text over here. So to get back to the page, click the back button, and then you're back at the dashboard.